Indian Muslim Relief and Charities is a non-profit humanitarian aid relief organization established in 1981. IMRC vision is to uplift the standard of life of Muslims and minorities in poverty-stricken areas of India and develop projects based on their needs. IMRC, with its dedicated team, visionary leaders, and over 100 organizations, are on site in India to empower minorities and Muslims in India and ensure they live and work with dignity. IMRC raises donations from individuals throughout the United States of America to fund its charitable projects in India and help us to meet our objectives. When you donate to IMRC, you are supporting a network of more than 100 organizations in India, providing education, medical services, emergency relief, and much more. IMRC started Sahayata Trust to work in India for the Muslims and minorities.
Sahayata Trust was started by Mr. Manzoor Ghori after 1988 communal riots in Assam. An organization was registered in California by name IMRC, Indian Muslim Relief and Charities, and a counterpart was registered in Hyderabad by name Sahayata Trust.
Read Rural Education and Economic Development, a project began by Sahayata Trust in 2009, has given education to Muslims living in villages. Over 60 madrasas have been built and 40 on the way. Prayer halls, washrooms and living quarters for the imam and classrooms.
जो मस्जिद मदरसा फसी मस्जिद अहमद तोरला पाडू में वाक़ी है, ये मस्जिद बनकर पूरे 1.5 महीने हुए और उससे पहले यहाँ के लोग दीन से बहुत गफलत थे। अब नमाज़ों की तरफ पूरे के पूरे लोग आ रहे हैं, पहले जैसा माहौल नहीं है। अब अल्लाह के फ़ज़ल में माहौल के अंदर तब्दीली आ रही है। यहाँ के लोग अपने बच्चों को भी जो मतलब सहायता की जानिब से जो मस्जिद बनी है अपने बच्चों को भी भेज रहे हैं, दीन की खिदमत को भी अंजाम दे रहे हैं। यहाँ जो भी हज़रात नमाज़ पढ़ रहे हैं उनकी भी तालीम का नज़म है। इशा के बाद आधा घंटा उनके लिए भी तालीम का इंतज़ाम किया गया है।
The madrasa hold daily prayers, Quran lessons and other daily activities are also being done.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
To create a sense of community to the local area people, Sahayata Trust has plans of giving microloan to people so that they can meet their requirements.
సహాయత ట్రస్ట్ వాళ్ళు మదర్సాను పిల్లల్ని అభివృద్ధి చేయటంలో ఇప్పుడు మనకి కల్మా అనేది మనకి తెలియదు కాబట్టి మన సహాయత ట్రస్ట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత
In rural Andhra, Sahayata Trust has started working on small villages with spiritual teaching.
الرحمن बड़ा मेहरबान यानी बड़ी बड़ी गलतियाँ माफ़ करने वाला। अर्रहीम निहायत रहम वाला यानी बार बार माफ़ करने वाला। अल-मलिकु बादशाह, अल-कुद्दूस निहायत पाकीज़ा, अस्सलामु हर ऐब से महफूज, अल-मुअमिनु अमन देने वाला, अल-मुहैमिनु हर चीज़ का अच्छी तरह हिफाजत करने वाला।
7 districts: Guntur, Krishna, East and West Godavari, Khammam, Vizianagaram and Srikakulam till the borders of Orissa have been covered. Alhamdulillah, till now, IMRC has completed 60 projects in 7 districts, 113 borewells in rural area and 27 more locations to be started. In the year 2012, we distributed about 27 metric ton of atta in the shape of fitra and 3,500 packets of Hyderabadi chicken biryani in the iftar. In the year 2013 Ramzan, 150 metric ton of rice has been distributed as zakat in about 550 remote villages all over India. Through this, approx 82,500 people have been benefited.
हमारा अडीरालपाड़म नंदीगाम मंडलम कृष्णा जिला। हमारा गांव में मस्जिद नहीं है, हमारे नमाज पढ़ना नहीं मालूम। स्टेट लिए हमारे मस्जिद बने ये स्टेट लिए चावल, बकरीद में गोश्त, बच्चे नमाज पढ़ लेते हैं, कुरान पढ़ते हैं, मूल साग रखे, तनख्वाह देते हैं।
For Eid ul-Azha, Saida Trust held Qurbani programs in all over India and distributed meat amongst poor families. A packet of meat to poor families which contained 1 kg meat was being distributed. We have nearly achieved our goal, but there's still a long way to go, and we request our donors to support with their zakat and fitras so that we can do much better for the people, and inshallah we will achieve our goal.